Hey guys, welcome back to FixLab Pro. If the C drive of your Windows PC becomes full, then the performance of the PC will become slow. In today's video, I will show you how to delete all the junk files in the C drive of the PC. So without further delay, let's start the video. Number 1. Press Windows plus R, then type prefetch and click OK. Here you can see all the junk files. Select all of them and delete them. This will free up a lot of your C drive. Number 2. Again, press Windows plus R, then type temp and click on OK. Here you will see all the junk files. Press Ctrl A to select all, then click on Delete option. This will empty your C drive a lot. Number 3. Press Ctrl plus R. Now type % before and after temp, then click on OK. Here you see many junk files. Type Ctrl A to select all and delete. This will increase the performance of your PC. Number 4. The method I will show you now is the most effective way to free up your C drive. First of all, go to the Windows search option, then search for Disk Cleanup and go to it. Now, select your C drive here and click OK. Here, first few options are shown. A little below, you will see an option called Clean Up System Files. Click on it. Select your C drive again. Here, you will get many more options including Recycle Bin, Temporary Files, Device Drive Packages. From here, select all the options that you want to delete. I don't need any of them here, so I'm selecting them all. Then I'll click OK. Now you can see that all my unnecessary junk files are being deleted. It will take some time to delete, but as a result, your PC's C drive will become much freer. So your PC's performance will increase a lot from before. If you want to get more informative videos like this, subscribe to the channel and like it. You can comment on any problems you have. Thanks for watching.